Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Honey, would you want to say something?
Millions of people across the globe, in fact, are watching you. You demonstrated courageous leadership, and thank God you're alive, all of us are alive today. What is the message that you want to give to the world that this should change? What corrective measures can we take from here on?
Well, all you can do, look,
We're at Colossians, or Colossians 1:25.
history. You have a whack job.
Fullness of the gospel
It's a little bit distorted, or a lot distorted.
unto the Gentiles. 1 Nephi 15:12.
They can make trouble. Some of these people are of genius level IQ. They're nuts.
There we go. Two eyeballs.
Trouble.
1 Nephi 15:13.
Absolutely the best.
And now the thing which our Father meaneth concerning the grafting in of natural branches through the fullness of the Gentiles is that in the latter days,
It was very impressive.
when our seed shall, just look at that, when our seed shall have dwindled in unbelief, for the space of many years, in many generations after the Messiah.
They look like Matt
Oh,
Dillon.
look at those books.
They look like somebody that knew what they were doing. But it
Body.
comes with the territory.
After the Messiah shall be manifested in body until children of men, then shall the fullness of men, then shall the fullness of the gospel of the Messiah come unto the Gentiles, and from the Gentiles unto the remnant of our seed.
I don't think so.